Here's how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not starting because of a missing DLL in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to restore the missing runtime files and get the Wildlands launching again without downloading random DLL files. First, check the exact DLL named in the Windows error. Look for messages such as msvcp110.dll was not found or msvcr110.dll was not found. These files are part of the Microsoft Visual C++ 2012 runtime, so the real cause is usually a missing or damaged runtime installation, not the missing Wildlands game file. Next, open Microsoft's official Visual C++ redistributable download page. Find the Visual C++ 2012 Update 4 packages and download the x86 and x64 installers. Then run each installer and follow the setup prompts. You should see the Microsoft Visual C++ setup window followed by a completed installation message. After that, restart Windows so the newly installed runtime files are loaded correctly. Once Windows starts again, launch Ghost Recon Wildlands through Steam or Ubisoft Connect. If the missing DLL was the cause, the Windows error should no longer appear. Now, if the same error remains, verify the game files. In Steam, open your library, right-click Ghost Recon Wildlands, select Properties, then choose Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files, and wait for Steam to finish checking the installation. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open the Wildlands installation folder and look for a support folder or bundled prerequisite installers. Run any included Visual C++ prerequisite installer, restart Windows, and launch the game again. Once check that you have not manually downloaded an msvcp110.dll or msvcr110.dll file from a DLL website. Random DLL files can cause easy anti-cheat errors or introduce the wrong file version. Use Microsoft's runtime installer instead. Once everything is set, the missing DLL error should disappear and Ghost Recon Wildlands should continue through Ubisoft Connect and easy anti-cheat toward the main menu. Following these simple steps makes fixing Ghost Recon Wildlands missing DLL errors quick and easy.